Good afternoon, everyone. English, as you know, is one of the most spoken languages in the world. It is the official language of 53 countries and spoken by more than 400 million people. It is also the dominant language of business and is commonly used in many forms of popular entertainment. I invite you then to join me, Dr. Jane Desnouee, for what may be the most valuable journey in your life to fill your language needs. Together, we will be developing lifelong learning tools through speaking and listening in English, with a bit of reading and writing as well. You will have instruction in norms of daily conversations, as well as accent reduction, while developing listening strategies and pragmatic ability. This 7-week online course for low, intermediate, and advanced beginners will cover small talk, conversational vocabulary, idioms, speech acts, and other nonverbal aspects of communication in order to improve audience awareness, increase your self-confidence, and allow you to feel more comfortable using the English language flexibly to meet your needs in everyday life. I look forward then to learning with you in our next exciting language experience. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.